Hello again, and welcome to another car video review. And today I'd like to show you this little Volkswagen Polo 1.2 TSI Match Edition, finished in the grey. Nice alloy wheels, I think these are an upgrade. Upgrade style alloys. Solid grey, nice colour. Nice and clean inside. Plenty of room in the back. Front and rear parking sensors. It's got the split level boot floor, so you lift the top level up, and then below there is your spare wheel jack toolkit and the all important locking wheel tool there as well. All present and correct. 1.2 petrol. Smart looking car, it's a nice colour this. Daytime running lights. Controls there, front and rear electric windows, central door locking, electric and folding door mirrors. Adjustable height driver's seat. All nice and clean inside. Automatic lighting. Comes with 2 remote keys. 30,000 miles with a service history. So nice low mileage car as well. It's got this sat nav. It's just loading up for you there. You can turn the parking sensors on and off from this button here. Heated rear window. Stop start you can turn on and off as well. There's your sat nav. It's got the all important DAB radio. So a good choice of stations. You can also connect your device. Connect your Bluetooth phone, and via that there, App Connect, you can connect your phone, and it's got the auxiliary input there as well, and the USB input there, 12 volt socket there, 5-speed manual, conventional handbrake, and it's got the connections in there. And if you can see that, there's a 2 SD card sockets, one of those will be for the nav, and a CD socket there as well, CD port there as well. Steering wheel mounted controls, get the cruise control on that side, radio volume, and then the vehicle menu and Bluetooth on that side. So yeah, nicely equipped little car, easy to drive and park, low running costs, be low on insurance, good on fuel. So there you go. If you're interested in a nice little Polo, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email, and thanks again for watching.